Welcome, here I've got Realme 8i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move at the last position to camera settings. So let's pick right button to open them, and here we have to tap to composition. Now at the last place we